Today, folks, two of you, I'm going to show you how to change a signal light in a 2015 to 2017 Camry. Step one, jack up the car, which I already did. If you need a video on jacking up a car, perhaps you should look up how to jack up a car. Step two, get under the car and take this little part. Goes right here. It's 4 screws. And just bend. You don't need to take off the whole thing. Let's not overwork ourselves now. Okay? And just hold it like that. Jack it high enough so you can have, you can use that as to hold that. Next, let's get up in there. See, it's right up here. Now, Google might lie to you when you look up signal light for Camry this year, and it'll show you the whole assembly, which is not needed. Sorry. All right, it's right here. So you twist out, you pull out, replace bulb as needed. The bulb is a Subaenia 744 and A, or any other company who makes a 744. Can you use LEDs? Sure. If they have a hyper flash resistor built into them, but if not, then you're gonna get that. But make sure they're amber, obviously, because by DOT law in most states in America, amber is required. And after reinserting the bulb, just push your hazards and check if it works. And that's it. The only reason I'm making this is because I didn't see one, and I figured, I was looking for one to reference, but I didn't find one. So I said, might as well, if you know how to change bulbs, it's the same thing. Just you got to go from under, because Toyota thought, hey, let's make them work harder than what they already do to pay for the damn car. And after doing everything, put these back with a 10 millimeters socket size. And you can use Phillips screwdriver if you don't have a 10 millimeter, but it's much, much faster with a 10 millimeter. And that's pretty much it. I do want to know, you could come to this side without having to jack the car up, but these fasteners, to me, they're a pain in the butt to take off. And then, not only that, they're really old and brittle. They'll break and whatever. And you have to get the whole thing out, turn the wheel to get your hand, if you can even fit your arm through here. So, of course, under is going to be obviously the best way. Thank you, two of you. Thanks. Thank you.